Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So you might know that Google recently launched the Android 11 stable version to all the Pixel phones from Pixel 2 and above and some select Oneplus and Samsung devices as well. But if you live in India, you might notice that the Android 11 update is not available for us. This is partly due to the reason that Google has not released the Android 11 for Indian devices. So in this video, I'll show you how to get the Android 11 version in India on any of your Pixel devices. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, my Pixel 2 is running Android 11 as I have already downloaded the version and updated it. So first of all you need to do is click on the first link in the description. So once you're here, click on view your eligible devices and then scroll down a bit and you should see your device which you want to upgrade to Android 11. If there is no phone here, then I'm sorry, you can't upgrade to Android 11 as of now. Next, click on opt-in and then click on I agree to the terms of the beta program and then click join beta. Don't worry, your device will not be wiped. This is just so that Google thinks that you have a beta program and then it will send the OTA update for the Android 11. So after you have done this, you have to go to your settings, system, then you have to click on advanced and then click on system update and then click on check for updates. Once you have done this screen should pop right up and it will obviously tell you that the system update is available. So then you have to click on download and install and it will download the update. Now once it is downloaded or even midway through the downloading process, you can go back to this link and then click on opt out. So you will exit out of the beta program and that way you won't be in the beta anymore, but you'll also have the stable Android 11 version. So this was a small trick that I came across and I wanted to share it with you guys. If this video helped you, then please click the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this with your fellow Pixel users. I'm Techie Rannjodh and I'm signing out. Peace from the Northeast.